Unlock seamless payments in the Philippines, even if Apple Pay isn't officially launched. First, open your wallet app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID. Tap the plus sign located at the top right corner to add a new card. Select a debit or credit card. Now, you'll need to manually enter your card details. Carefully enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Now, go to your iPhone settings, then General, and tap Language and Region. Change your region to a country where Apple Pay is officially supported, like the United States or Singapore, just temporarily. Go back to your wallet app. Your card should now be successfully added. You might need to verify it through your bank's app or via SMS. To pay, double-click the side button on your iPhone, Authenticate, and hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal. After completing your transaction, don't forget to change your region back to the Philippines. And that's it. You can now enjoy the convenience of Apple Pay with this workaround, even if it's not officially supported. And remember, this is a temporary solution.